In every era, there comes a breakthrough so profound it redefines the relationship between man and machine. This is one of those moments. You are living through the rise of a new species, not born of flesh, but forged in silicon, not raised by families, but trained by algorithms. And they are coming, not to conquer, but to collaborate, to assist, to transform. This is the age of humanoid robots. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech Power Moves, where we decode the future of artificial intelligence, automation, and the epic transformation of our world. Let's dive in. Why are humanoid robots emerging now? Three converging forces, exponential AI advancements, particularly in natural language processing and reinforcement learning, cheaper, more agile robotics hardware, a global labor market in crisis, driven by aging populations, burnout, and demand for 24/7 productivity. In this crucible, humanoids have emerged, not as a novelty, but as a necessity.
Super big deal. Like my prediction is that, on this front, is that Optimus will be the biggest product of all time by far. Nothing will even be close. I think it'll be 10 times bigger than the next biggest product ever made.
Humanoids are designed to operate in a world built for people. Doors, ladders, vehicles, elevators. Why reinvent tools, factories, or homes when you can simply build a robot to fit the mold of a human being? Legs for stairs, arms for handles, eyes, cameras for perception, and voice recognition for commands. Human form is not about vanity. It's about universal design. Today's humanoids aren't just pre-programmed machines. They learn. Using powerful neural networks trained on billions of data points, humanoids can grasp objects they've never seen, understand verbal commands, adapt to dynamic environments. Boston Dynamics Atlas learns through motion planning. Figure AI's robot learns assembly tasks like a factory worker. Sanctuary AI's Phoenix robot understands tasks through natural language and computer vision. In short, robots are becoming more than tools. They're becoming co-workers. Follow the money and you'll find the future. Tech giants are pouring billions into humanoid robotics. Tesla's Optimus project is rapidly evolving. Apple has quietly invested in robotics R&D. Amazon and Hyundai back Agility Robotics and Boston Dynamics. This isn't a moonshot, it's a full-blown industry pivot. Humanoid labor is being built not for 2030, but for 2025. Where are humanoid robots being deployed first? Warehouses, lifting, sorting, scanning, manufacturing, welding, assembling, testing, retail, restocking, cleaning, guiding customers, healthcare, delivering medication, assisting nurses. These are not experiments, they are job postings with Robot Apple. Humanoids raise difficult questions. Who owns their data? Who is liable when they fail? What happens to displaced workers? Automation must be matched with policy, with ethics, with foresight. We stand at a crossroads. We can use these machines to uplift humanity or to widen the divide. The choice is ours. Today's robots learn not in isolation, but together. One robot fails at a task, the next robot learns from it. Through cloud-connected intelligence, humanoids are creating a hive mind of experience. This means faster adaptation, rapid skill acquisition, and robots that get smarter daily. Humanoids are no longer confined to labs or assembly lines. They are moving into logistics, into care homes, into disaster zones. A humanoid robot helped rescue survivors after a chemical spill in 2024. In Japan, robots now assist the elderly with meals and mobility. This is not about replacement, it's about reach. Let's talk numbers. A skilled human worker might earn $50,000 per year. A humanoid robot? $100,000 up front, with minimal upkeep. Within 3 years, it pays for itself, and it works 24/7. No breaks, no sick days, no unions. Corporations are doing the math, and the robots are winning. Which industries are next? Logistics, warehouse, ports, last-mile delivery, hospitality, hotels, restaurants, entertainment, security, surveillance, patrolling, incident response, construction, site monitoring, material movement, healthcare, surgery assistance, elder care, diagnostics. If your job involves routine or repetition, automation is already knocking. The future is not robot versus human. It is a robot with a human. Humans provide context, creativity, compassion. Robots provide strength, speed, stamina. Together, they redefine productivity. Symbiosis, not domination, is the blueprint. As humanoids spread, global policy is scrambling to keep up. The EU is drafting robot rights. China is investing in humanoid manufacturing at scale. The US is funding military-grade robotics research. Meanwhile, activists push for universal basic income and robotic tax policies. The game is changing fast and governments are playing catch-up. Humanoids are impressive, but not flawless. They still misinterpret gestures, struggle with unpredictable objects, trip over uneven terrain. They are powerful, but brittle, elegant, but limited. Understanding these weaknesses is key to deploying them responsibly. In the next decade, we may see fully autonomous humanoid service staff, AI companions indistinguishable from humans, legislation redefining personhood and agency. The line between machine and human blurs. But in the face of such change, we must hold firm to our values, to our empathy, to what makes us human. Subscribe to AI Tech Power Moves for more insights, more breakthroughs, and the full story of our evolving world. Thank you for watching. The future is standing upright, and it's ready to work.